Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to reboot a frozen Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So let's do it. So if your phone doesn't respond to any commands to restart or reboot your phone, it is very easy. You must push and hold the volume down button and the power button for a few seconds. So let's do it. Volume down and power button, just push it for a few seconds. And now, as you can see, your phone has been restarted. Just wait a few more seconds. Okay, and now you can use your phone. So it is very easy, don't forget, volume down and power button, push it for a few seconds. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and have a nice day.